What if I told you that you can create AI selfie videos with celebrities that look shockingly real, without expensive software, without editing skills, and without hiring anyone? The kind of videos that make people stop scrolling and say, wait, is that real? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step using simple tools that anyone can use. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your own photo into a realistic AI selfie video with a celebrity. And yes, you can do this completely online.
Let's start with the first step, which is selecting your image. You want to pick a clear, high-quality photo where your face is visible, the lighting is decent, and there are no heavy filters. This is important because the better your image is, the more realistic the final result will look. Once you've chosen your image, keep it ready because we're about to use it in the main tool that does all the magic. Now comes step 2. After picking your image, head over to Nano Banana and log in. Once you're inside, upload your image. This is where prompts play a very important role. For this step, I've already prepared some ready-to-use prompts, which you'll find in the description. Everything is explained in detail inside those prompts, like if your image is male, you'll use the male prompt. If your image is female, you'll use the female prompt. These prompts guide Nano Banana to generate a new image that matches the facial structure, expressions, and style needed for realistic AI selfie videos. After pasting the correct prompt and clicking Generate, Nano Banana will create a new version of your image.
As you can see, the image has been generated with incredible detail. It has covered every single element perfectly, from facial expressions to the movie character look, making it feel very realistic.
Once that's done, repeat the same process for all the images you want to use. Generate them one by one so you have multiple high-quality AI images ready for the next step.
Once your images are generated, the next goal is to turn these static images into videos. You can use any tool you like, such as Kling AI, Halo AI, or Runway ML. In this video, however, I'm going to use FlexClip. First, open the FlexClip website and select the video generation tool. Start by choosing a video generation model. FlexClip offers several options like Kling AI, VO3, Halo AI, and many others. I'll select Kling AI for this demo.
After that, click on the Enable End Frame button.
Next, choose your first image, which should be a simple selfie. For the end frame, select the AI-generated image you created earlier. For example, I'll use a Harry Potter image as the first end frame. After that, paste your prompt into the prompt box.
Go back to the Google Docs file. Here, you'll see the video generation prompt. Copy it and paste it into the prompt box.
You can use a simple prompt if you want, or a detailed one for better results. Then select the video duration and click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. And here's the result. Now, for the next clip, place the Harry Potter image as the first frame and select an Avengers image as the end frame. Use the same prompt again and click Generate. In this way, you can create multiple AI selfie videos one by simply changing the end frame image and repeating the process. As you can see, each video smoothly starts from the last frame of the previous video and transitions into the new one, creating a seamless and realistic flow. Next, open any video editing software you're comfortable with. I'll choose CapCut. Open CapCut, import all the video clips and drag them onto the timeline in the correct order.
If you want, you can add transitions between the clips to make them smoother. After that, add a camera sound effect at the right moment for each clip. You can also add background music if you like, but it's optional. When everything looks good, simply export the video. And that's it. Your perfect AI selfie with celebrity video is now ready to upload. As you can see, there's a clear difference between the first generated video and the final polished version. This method allows you to create AI selfie videos with celebrities whenever you want, without spending money on expensive tools or wasting hours on editing. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because more powerful AI tricks are coming next.